Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display custom or different header on WooCommerce product category in Elementor Pro WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WooCommerce product category. Now you see category mask. So we are going to display different header in this category in Elementor Pro WordPress. Now go to main website. So this is our home page header. Now go to Elementor header. So this is our default header we are using on entire site. Now you see save option, so click on it, and then you see display condition, so click on it. Now you see include entire site condition edit, and we created another Elementor header. Now you see design is different. So we are going to display this header on WooCommerce product category mask. Now you see save option, we already updated. Now click on save option, and then you see display condition, so click on it, and then you see where do you want to display your template. Now click on add condition. Now you see include entire site, now select WooCommerce, and then you see entire shop. Now select product archive, product categories. Now click on it, and then you see all. Now select category according to requirement, mask, and then you see mask, so we select, and then click on save and close. Now update done. Now back to old Elementor header, and then you see display condition, save option, click on display condition, you see include entire site. Now go to product category and refresh the page. So this is our custom header on product category mask. Now open another category ceramic, and then you see our first header on other categories. Again go to mask. Now you see this is a new custom header on product category mask. So in this way you can apply different header on different product category in Elementor Pro WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.